got a special guest who's coming online to workshop with you guys today, whose name is Hayley. I've known Hayley about 6 odd years now. Is that about right, Hayley? So Hayley's been a part of the Positive Real Estate team for 6 odd years at this point in time. She has, she's been working closely. I've been working closely with Hayley for quite a period of time, and she's been working with a bunch of my clients.
Hello, good morning, everyone. One thing I like to start off with is basically a bit of a graph around what's been happening in the property markets over the last 50 years as well. We're very big on capital city investing. And I guess one of the reasons behind that is you generally get the stability of the markets within those capital cities. So obviously with places like your regional or your mining, you can be subject to a little bit more ebb and flow, a little bit more volatility within the markets. So capital cities is where we like to focus, or feeder cities is what we like to call them. So essentially capital cities, you can see over time is where some stability lies. Anyone that's purchased in majority of the capitals will have seen some pretty steady growth over the years. We consider 3 things when investing, a lot more than 3, but PIE is what we call it: population, infrastructure, and employment. So essentially Melbourne brings a lot of that in and around the area, which is pretty amazing. Here's a couple of websites I want you to write down. So it seems pretty simple, but Google Maps is a really, really good resource for checking out what is in the area. Basically, you want infrastructure to be surrounding you. Transport, schools, employment, love it. You can check out on Google Maps how close everything is to the particular location you may be looking at. Vacancy rate. So SQM Research is a really good resource for anybody that loves data. So SQM Research will show you more than vacancy rates, but you can also check out a lot of different properties coming to market, what the average price point of a property is selling for within that location. So you can see the turnaround of trends as well of what that looks like. Comparable sales, comparable rentals. Jump on realestate.com and have a look at some sold data as well. Realestate.com will also show you some suburb profiles. So you can actually check out the nitty gritty of the suburb, what the average rental yield is in the suburb, what the average median house price is, all of that jazz. Demographics. I think it was Alyssa that mentioned demographics before. So microburbs.com.au is going to give you a really good insight into basically who's going to live in your property. So you can check out, it's from ABS, Australian Bureau of Statistics and Census data. What do they do for work? How much do they earn? You can even check out scores out of 10 on different factors. Walkability. So this is more of your inner ring property. So inner ring meaning you're 10 to 15 kilometers from the CBD. Anything that is inner ring, you can check out your walk score. So out of 100, how walkable this particular location is to your infrastructure, to your shops, your restaurants, to the city, to transport and so forth. Property calculator, know your numbers. So this is another really, really good one that show you how to run your numbers on particular property deals, and it will give you an amazing insight into what you need to do.
All right, Hayley, love you. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Good to be here today. I hope you guys got a lot out of that, and I look forward to chatting with you all very soon.
All right. Ciao, everyone. Thanks so much.
Bye.
Bye.